Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Undertale Last Breath on piano easy, full guide. Start by isolating the melody and playing it hands alone until notes feel natural. Next, add the left hand chords slowly and focus on smooth transitions between changes. Use a metronome and increase speed in small steps while keeping relaxed hands and steady breathing. Repeat short sections often and celebrate small improvements to stay motivated. Warm up your fingers and ears before tackling tricky passages to avoid tension. Start with short sections and practice slowly until they feel reliable under your fingers. Use light accents on important beats to shape the melody and keep a gentle tempo while connecting phrases. Record a take to hear where timing or dynamics need work, and then repeat those spots with focused, relaxed practice until they feel fluid and musical. Focus on left hand stability to support the right hand without overpowering it. Practice chord changes slowly and aim for consistent attack and release to preserve the melody's clarity. If a rhythm feels awkward, simplify it to basic beats until coordination improves, then reintroduce complexity. Use repetitions of troublesome bars and vary dynamics to prevent fatigue while building control, keeping your posture relaxed and wrists flexible throughout practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.